Right now, if it's nighttime where you are, something is happening inside your body that sounds almost too strange to be true. Your brain is shrinking. Not permanently, not dangerously, but by up to 60% according to researchers. And it's doing that on purpose. Stay with me, because the reason why is genuinely one of the most underrated facts about the human body. Here's the question nobody asks. Why do you need to lose consciousness for 8 hours a night just to function? Every other system in your body can multitask. Your heart doesn't stop to digest food. Your lungs don't pause to let your liver work. So why does your brain demand a full, dangerous shutdown? Alone in the dark, unable to see threats coming. The answer is something scientists only fully confirmed in 2013, and it changes everything about how you should think about sleep. It's called the glymphatic system. Think of it as your brain's private plumbing network, except it only turns on at night. During the day, your neurons are firing constantly, and that activity produces waste, including a protein called beta-amyloid, the same protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. Here's the problem. Your brain has no lymphatic system like the rest of your body does. It needed another way to take out the trash. So here's what actually happens while you're unconscious. Your brain cells shrink by up to 60%, opening up the space between them. Cerebrospinal fluid then floods through those gaps like a tide coming in, physically flushing out the metabolic waste your neurons built up all day. Researchers at the University of Rochester, who first documented this in mice, found this cleaning process runs roughly 10 times faster during sleep than while awake, which means every single night, your brain runs a self-administered wash cycle, and the only reason it can happen is because you're unconscious enough to make room. But here's the part that should actually worry you a little. When you cut sleep short, that cleaning cycle gets interrupted mid-process. Studies tracking sleep deprivation have found measurable increases in beta-amyloid buildup after just one night of poor sleep. One night. Not a year of bad habits. One night of scrolling your phone until 3 a.m. is enough to leave literal waste sitting in your brain that should have been flushed out. And here's the twist that reframes everything. You've probably been taught that sleep is passive, something you do when there's nothing else to do. It's the opposite. Sleep might be the single most active maintenance process your entire body performs, and it only works because your brain is willing to shrink, go dark, and trust that nothing will get you while it's busy cleaning house. So the next time you're tempted to sacrifice sleep for one more episode, remember what you're actually interrupting. You're not just tired tomorrow. You're walking around with yesterday's mental trash still sitting there, waiting for a cleanup that never finished. You don't sleep because you're lazy. You sleep because your brain is running maintenance nobody else can do for you. And it only gets one shift a night to do it.